Hey, my good people, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, your homegirl, Adosha Wright, with another wonderful video. This one is about the press and curl that never goes out of style. I know some of y'all are like, y'all still using a straightening comb? And then some of y'all are like, we sure do, yes. So this wonderful video is going to give you a little bit about the history. And then I'm going to actually teach you guys how to use this baby. You want to know why? Because man, I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all know I'm a much better hairstylist than I am a videographer. I done chopped my head off, but here I am coming through. 2022 is the year of solutions. That's what I promised you guys. So this video is going to offer some solutions as to how to actually use the pressing comb. And again, on my platform, I say never fear, because hair help is here. This is why I am here. So if you are new, welcome. I am certain you're going to love this platform. If you are returning, what up, SA? How you doing out there in these social media streets? So hair help is here. And like I said, I just like to offer you guys some solutions. I only ask that you do one thing while you are joining me on this platform, and that is to please, can y'all please continue to be very kind online? Yes, this remains a no hair shaming zone. So I understand if you like, I don't even know why she made no video about no press and curl. You can hit that thumbs down, but please be kind, because it takes a lot for my customers, to show their hair so that I can teach you what to do. So let's hop right into it. All right, so this here is the pressing comb. So it goes by 3 different names. So you got a hot comb, you got pressing comb, and you have straightening comb. So it depends on how you were brought up or who your big mama or your mama is, what you're going to call the comb. But I'm from the 70s, so we called it a straightening comb. But for the most part, I actually switched the name up all the time. Now, these new straightening combs are not like the old ones. This is not a cast iron straightening comb. This one is made out of, I believe, copper and nickel, I believe. So the newer straightening combs are not as good as the old ones. So this is Madam C.J. Walker. I know y'all like, I know her. Yes, Madam C.J. Walker has been nationally and internationally recognized for her contribution to paving the way for African American hair care. And so she did this like no other, so to the tune that she's been recognized for making millions of dollars, donating her money to do so many wonderful things, and of course advancing the knowledge of hair care and hair styling. So there's so much that you can learn about her by going to your library. Of course, you can probably even look on the right here on YouTube and learn so much more about Madam C.J. Walker. But anybody who's aspiring to do and be anything in life, most certainly you're going to be inspired by Madam C.J. Walker. And so she made a product called Madam C.J. Walker's wonderful hair grower. And so this product she gave to her agents to sell and use to style the hair. So that's what she did. Now, she did not do this single-handedly. It is no big secret that this woman right here, her name is Annie Turbo Malone, and she is the person who is responsible for teaching Madam C.J. Walker everything she knew about hair care, hair styling, scalp care, skin care, and so on and so forth. Annie Turbo Malone was like a juggernaut. I'm telling you, this woman was doing so much more beyond hair care. Words cannot imagine. If you read about her, and when I tell you jaw-dropping, just utterly, completely jaw-dropping. Not to compare the two, because they both were different in their own right, but Annie Turbo Malone was mighty impressive. So this here, I snatched this image off of Google, is a a picture of her pressing oil, and it was called Poro. Now, Poro comes out of the African language, I believe, maybe Liberia. That means like secret society. So, Annie Turbo Malone was very, very, very pro African, pro-black. She too, like Madam C.J. Walker, donated a lot of stuff to African Americans and education and children and all these wonderful things. I do them too, I must say so myself. So here's an image that I grabbed this one off of Google too, just to kind of capture and reflect that. Woo, but I tell you, sister was pro-black. Y'all see that Nefertiti up in there? Okay, so again, Madam C.J. Walker, she too, believe it or not, was very, very, very pro-black. She did a lot, by way of, the women's suffrage, donating lots of money to that. Of course, so many, black educational institutions. She really did a lot. And she was known for her relationship with Marcus Garvey. Now, I do recall reading this, but I can't tell you where I read it. But Madam C.J. Walker, believe it or not, she was involved in the smear campaign because she kept company with Marcus Mosiah Garvey, and you guys know who he is. And so though she did not join the UNIA, she definitely was a staunch supporter of Marcus Garvey. And so they smeared her name by saying she invented the straightening comb. And so she did not invent the straightening comb. But she was a staunch supporter of Marcus Garvey and everything Black Power. So Madam C.J. Walker and Annie Turbo Malone really was beyond their years. They saw things way, way, way ahead of time. And so one of those things, of course, was education. The second was definitely Black Power. Then, of course, you had the woman power as well. So the question always comes up, well, if Madam C.J. Walker did not invent the straightening comb, who did invent the straightening comb? Because we all can recall songs and all this stuff about Madam C.J. Walker, right? Well, for your information, it would be the man to the left, and his name is Mr. Walter Simmons. And so he actually holds the United States patent for the hot comb. And so, again, it is no big secret that Madam C.J. Walker did purchase the patent. So she definitely promoted the use of the straightening comb with her agents. But she did not invent the straightening comb. She was not anti-Afro hair. She was just saying, hey, you can manipulate your hair using the hot comb. So Madam C.J. Walker nor Annie Turbo Malone, they did not invent that straightening comb, as we have all been taught throughout our younger lives.
What you talking about, Willis?
Don't y'all miss Gary Coleman? Yeah, what you talking about, Willis? So here is a little another caption that I just took off of Google. Now, a lot of this stuff is just very, you can search this stuff and you can take that patent number and drop it inside the patent, and it will come up that he holds, he held the patent. And so she bought that patent and she used it, to help her agents be able to style hair. And so again, I believe, I just wish I can remember where I read that, but the reason why she was associated with the straightening comb, because they were trying to say that Madam C.J. Walker was against Afro hair, and so she was not. She was just saying, hey, you can, alter your fabric and, be creative. So that's what she was saying. She was not like, don't represent your natural texture. So that type of stuff is not true. So big ups to Walter Simmons, okay? So here is the image of Afro textured hair. Now, all Afro hair is not the same. Let me just say that. When you're going to use the pressing comb, you want to test it on a white sheet of paper or maybe a white cloth. And if it turns brown, don't use it, okay? Don't use it. This is another little Google image here, okay? So just make sure you test that comb before you begin to press the hair. You're definitely going to put some oil on your hair before you press it. And depending on how thick or how shiny or coated you want the hair to be, that's how much oil you use. And then you're going to pinch the hair in a small section. The teeth will grab the hair and the back of the comb will press the hair. You see how I gently turned it in? Now don't turn it in too much or else you're going to be fried, dyed, and laid to the side, okay? So that's how you press the hair. You can add more oil as you see the hair silk out. So again, you're going to pinch it. The teeth will bring the hair together and the back of the comb will press the hair. Don't go too fast or else you won't, satin out the texture, okay? That's what we used to do back in the day. Blow. Now, the pandemic is still, the coronavirus is still going around. So don't be blowing on your customers now, even though she has her mask on. But again, just take your time and press the hair. Now, if you are liking this content, I need you guys to hit that share, that like, subscribe. Now, Madam C.J. Walker's wonderful hair grower and Annie Turbo Malone's Poro pressing oil is no longer available in its original formula. They are actually remaking. They have re-released some Madam C.J. Walker products. So I think I'm going to buy some and see what they're all about. But in the meantime, yeah, baby, I'm using K-Veil, which is another old school pressing cream, okay? So K-Veil is really, really nice and it's water resistant, as all oil products are. So K-Veil is about the closest we have. Like I said, Madam C.J. Walker's wonderful hair grower and then Annie Turbo Malone's Poro pressing oil are no longer available. So we're just going to be using K-Veil, or you can use your favorite pressing oil, okay? Use oil that's formulated to take that hot heat. If not, your hair will burn. Now, I curled her hair using the H2 Pro mini flat irons, and they get pretty hot. I did not use the Marcel iron because she was in a rush and we had to get her out, and it takes more time to just do the back and forth reaching with the Marcel iron. And so we do evolve in hair care. So this is the beauty of electric tools because they allow you to get some speed. So here is the finished look on your quiniquina or barrel curls, depending on how old you are, okay? So again, that's it. So here is the finished look of a modern day press and curl, which looks just like the old one, except the backdrop is different. So help change the narrative, guys. Madam C.J. Walker is not the inventor of the pressing comb. She bought the patent and she used it for her beauty culturalists to style the hair of their clients as independent agents, okay? So how did she get associated with being the inventor of straightening comb? Probably like folklore. And then, like I said, I do recall reading that it was actually a smear campaign. So let's give Walter Simmons the credit he deserves, all right? So I hope you guys have found this video very, very helpful. Don't forget to help me get in the YouTube Nielsen ratings. I just made that up. There's no YouTube Nielsen ratings, okay? Please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you like the content. Drop your questions in the chat. Also, the Textures exhibit at Kent State University is still going on. This exhibit is about the history and art of black hair. I promise you guys, you will not regret the drive. Even if you decide to fly to Cleveland and drive out to Kent, the drive is wonderful, the campus is wonderful, but the exhibit, it is jaw-dropping.
I'm going to start this video out by just giving you guys a little bit of general knowledge as to what stripping your hair or bleaching your hair or dyeing your hair is doing to the actual hair follicle.
What you talking about, Willie?
Dumbest shit people say about black hair.
I know. That's right, guys. You can join Cheryl, Mara, and I every Monday here on YouTube as we debunk some of the dumbest shit that people say about black hair, because we have this wonderful documentary coming out in the fall, and it is called The Narrative. We're talking about letting the truth be told about the evolution of Afro hair care right here in America and beyond. We believe that this is a documentary you will not want to miss. All you have to do is continue to follow us, share the content, and you will be informed. You will be tapped in, tuned in, turned on, as Abraham Hicks would say when it comes to The Narrative. So don't forget, you can check me out on all the social media platforms. Follow me. I do follow back. All of your questions are always welcomed. Just drop them in the chat. So any questions about the topic today, the video rather, of pressing combs, just drop them in the chat. So you know what I say when I'm always signing out, and that is peace, love, and hair. And if you ain't got no hair, don't want no hair, can't stand no hair, can't grow no hair, you know what I say? Just rub your beautiful bald head or your bald spots, whatever you want to call them, because bald heads, bald spots, and people are beautiful too, and so are you. Bye.